Writing Task 1. The provided bar chart compares the percentage of Australian-born and overseas-born residents living in cities, towns, and rural areas in 1995 and 2010. Overall, the data revealed a significant shift in the distribution of both groups over the 50 years period, with a notable increase in the proportion of overseas-born individuals in rural areas. In 1995, the majority of Australian-born residents lived in cities with approximately 50%, while about 20% resided in towns and 30% in rural areas. Conversely, overseas-born residents were more evenly distributed, with around 60% in cities, 10% in towns, and 40% in rural areas. By 2010, the distribution of Australian-born residents had changed slightly, with a marginal increase in the percentage living in cities, reaching around 65%, and a decrease in those living in towns around 15%, and rural areas around 20%. However, the most striking change was observed in the overseas-born population. While the percent in cities remained high at approximately 80%, there was a significant decrease in the proportion living in towns, around 10%, and rural areas dropping to about 5%. In conclusion, the data highlights a trend towards greater concentration of overseas-born residents in urban areas over time, while the distribution of Australian-born residents remained relatively stable. The most notable shift was the dramatic decrease in the percentage of overseas-born individuals living in rural areas by 2010.